That's weird. I gotta fix my throttle cable. Seems like it's grabbing a little too early. I need to pull this in. No. It's the other way. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Go to neutral, goddammit. There we go. And now it's not where I want it. I should put it back to where it was. Yeah, see, now it's not pulling out early enough. Oh, it's getting hot in here. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll move it in twice. No. There we go, that's perfect. Somebody left their rag right there. Hey, sir! Excuse me! Did you need that? Want me to grab it? Okay. I can't hear him nor read lips. Kind of looks like my uncle. Everybody's driving all crazy today. Ow, that bump hurt me. Oh, this exhaust sounds so good. Look at it. Gotta pull in here. Cool, that'll work. Anyway, there's Half Price Books, and I'll be right back. So, they did not have the version I needed. So I'm gonna have to swing by and pick it up from somewhere else. Like, sure, go for some pizza and some ice cream. I think I still remember how to get there. But if I don't, we'll see. Crossroads Mall. I can't remember if it's this exit. I'm gonna say it's this one. Something tells me I should stay right here. Whoa! I'm pretty sure it's this one. Yeah, it's definitely this one. I don't remember any of this. No, yeah, I do. We go uphill, then we get a left turn coming up. Is it here? I'm in the wrong spot. Ooh, I'm gonna park right next to the Supra. What the fuck are you guys doing? Alright, I found what I came here for. This lady seemed like she was gonna turn from where I was coming out from. Good thing I didn't go. I think there was only one left turn lane there. This lady's got her signal on again. That guy. Look at that. I'm all fucked up now. I'm just gonna relax because that was utter bullcrap. Pardon my language. Now I get to go home, get some exercise done, and call it a day. Friday. Just relax, Eric. Just relax. That's done. That guy endangered my safety. How could I not get angry? Well, guys, this is my stop. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment. Comment. You oh, whoa. That was weird. Right up to my brake. My front brake is all fucked up. I literally had no front brake. Oh, the front brake. Okay. So I tried to use the front brake and it did not work because when I had that head shake, it probably moved side to side and opened up the calipers, pushing all the fluid back in here. So I had to kind of pump the front brake for it to work. But yeah, guys, comment. Sorry for calling you. I'm all fucked up in the head right now. I just want to go home and relax with some Rocket League. Maybe some PUBG on my mobile phone. See, I could be nice. I'm not that fucked up. Comment on the video. Did I fuck up? Did that guy fuck up? Did we both fuck up? Please comment. Subscribe today. That was a Psycho Cruise, I think. That was a Psycho Cruise. No, really though. Subscribe. But yeah, I'm back to happy right now, so see ya.